Shares of Alphabet with some solid gains over the past 3 months. The company reporting its latest results after the close today. Our MacKenzie Sigalos has the #1 number that investors need to watch.
As Alphabet prepares to report after the bell, the company is riding two very different AI storylines. So one is driving momentum in cloud, where Google is gaining ground. And then the other is testing the durability of search, still its most important business and the one most exposed to disruption. Now, on the cloud side, Google is gaining momentum just as Amazon Web Services loses ground. It landed that $10 billion Meta contract back in August, and it's now pulling more Anthropic workloads away from Amazon, which heads into earnings with a weaker backlog than both Microsoft and Oracle. Truist is expecting more than 30% growth in Google's cloud business this quarter, citing strong enterprise demand and a healthy pipeline. Bank of America also expects recent deals to show up in backlog and reiterated its buy rating, calling cloud an increasingly valuable contributor to the stock. But the bigger test here is search and whether AI is starting to erode the very business that made Google dominant. Truist expects global search and other revenue to decelerate slightly to 11% year over year, but says that queries that lead to purchases, the one that advertisers care most about, still remains Google's stronghold, even as OpenAI and Perplexity gain traction in more casual browsing. The key thing to watch for is whether Alphabet can prove that AI is enhancing its core business, not hollowing it out. Bank of America expects solid paid click growth and says rising Gemini usage could ease disruption risk. Investors want to see traction not just on engagement, but monetization.